Hello everyone, welcome back into our Friday night newscast. Mike Schultz with you once again talking about the weather. And today was the beginning of what's going to be a fantastic weekend. We're looking at temperatures, like I said, up to 80 degrees tomorrow, and then warming up even warmer than that for Monday and Tuesday. Could be looking at mid-80s to possibly even the upper 80s by Monday and Tuesday. Now, as far as our map, our photograph, I should say, tonight, this one is once again another beautiful photograph of a rainbow that was captured by Gail Flodden. She was in the early morning, about 4:30 in the morning, and was able to capture this beautiful double rainbow there. And as always, if you have a photograph to share, send it to photos@ktvf11.com, and we will be more than happy to share it with the rest of the audience. 70 degrees right now. The low last night, 51. The record high, 89. That was in 1990. Record low, 40 degrees in 1906. Your sunrise and sunset, 21 hours and 19 minutes, a loss of almost 5 minutes from yesterday. On the satellite and radar, not a whole lot going on. All the moisture is off to the west, or to the east, I should say, and over to the west, but in the middle, looking at clear skies as high pressure builds in and becomes the dominant feature on the weather map. Speaking of the weather map, here's what it looks like across the rest of the state. Sunshine has moved in over southeast Alaska. Ketchikan at 71 degrees, quite a bit cooler. Juneau, only 57 degrees there. Around the Anchorage Bowl, 73 in Anchorage today. Showers around Kodiak, 58 degrees. And more rain falling across the Aleutian Chain. But when you move on the other side of the Aleutian Chain back up into the southwest interior and up the west coast, things get very nice once again. 73 at Bethel, only 47 at Nome, and 38 degrees at Barrow. But they're going to warm up dramatically tomorrow. 70 degrees at Fort Yukon. Speaking of warm temperatures, once again, the warm air continues over the northwest. 92 degrees in Seattle, almost 100 degrees at Salt Lake City. Still a warm day in Denver. More 100-degree temperature readings over the southwest and around the Dallas area. Some showers and thunderstorms starting to break out there, as there are in the Minneapolis area. In the eastern half of the country, looking at, for the most part, some rain over the northeast. Then as you move on down to the coast, you get back into the hot, humid conditions and the afternoon showers developing there. They show pretty good on the satellite and radar. You can see all this moisture once again moving across the deep south, helping to develop those showers and thunderstorms, and across Texas. But things are drying out really rapidly up and down the west coast, all the way to the Pacific Northwest, as we said there. That's going to continue. Record heat is possible tomorrow, with maybe 100 degrees in Portland, Oregon, and close to that for the Seattle region. That's pretty warm for them. And the overall outlook for tomorrow is looking for the rest of the country, looking at showers and thunderstorms scattered across the central and southern plains. The heat wave continues over the northwest, and some widespread rain expected over the northeast. Well, back to Alaska for tomorrow. Here's what it looks like. Mostly sunny skies for Barrow and Fort Yukon. Partly cloudy skies at Nome. Here in the interior, looking fantastic. Lots of sunshine at Fairbanks and Delta. Just a few clouds in the Healy area. Over the southeast part of the state, scattered clouds across the region from Juneau to Ketchikan, and temperatures rising up to around the low 70s at Ketchikan. While out to the southwest, looking at widespread areas of rain from Cold Bay to Bethel and Kodiak, probably the worst weather in Alaska. While over, if you're heading on down to the Anchorage Bowl, for the most part, mostly cloudy skies at Anchorage, with a little bit of rain likely at Homer and also in the Valdez area. And our forecast for the remainder of the night, looking at some areas of smoke, otherwise partly cloudy skies, 52 degrees for the overnight low. Tomorrow's forecast, sunny and great for all of the celebrations going on tomorrow. Close to 80 degrees, just partly cloudy skies, and the 5-day looks even better. Look at those temperatures, low to mid 80s all the way across the 5-day period. Overnight lows also right around 60 degrees. No precipitation in the forecast, so the heat wave will return with a vengeance, the way it looks right now. But things look great for all the things that are going on tomorrow, for all the July 4th activities.